Just an update on the package that I've been working on. So this is for Google Analytics event tracking. So the idea is that you can find out when people have clicked on PDFs or clicked on your call to action or gone to certain places in your website. It collects all this information in here. So I don't know if you're familiar with this. Your clients might be familiar with this, or your SEO teams. And you might need to start tracking this sort of information. And a good way to track it is to send Google Analytics event tracking events through. And what you can do with this package is you can create these. So here I've created one which is a click on an image. You use a CSS selector. I've given you some sample ones, and then you can give it a category. So that's the category that shows in here. And then you can give the actual event a label as well. So this, I'm actually pulling through the source of the image. So if I click on an image, if we look at this, images, and then we found that it's a click, and the label is this, click on this image here. So if we go through to click on an image, we can change this. So we can just say all images and save. And then if we refresh the page, and then we click on an image, that will actually register that click on the image. There we go, with the label of all images. So that label can be anything you want, but it can also be dynamic data. So that's the benefit of this. We can actually send any of these through if they are relevant. So if the image had an alt tag, it could send through the alt tag of the image. So let's see if it has. It has. So we can change this to be the alt, save that, refresh the page, and then we can click on it, and then we can have a look at analytics again and just wait for that event to register on here, and it's popped up and it's then there. There's been a click on the script authors at Code Garden image. So that's essentially what you do. You can create them, delete them. Are you sure you want to delete? You want to create, what do you want to create? An event, you know, the usual things that you're used to. It's got the validation because all of these are required. You need a name, CSS selector, etc. Yeah, and I've tried to be helpful with giving you these sorts of things, like with the external link. You don't need to know how to do that. It'll already give you that, and you can edit that if you want to. Like with this button one as well, we could do a button, but we could have it as an A dot button. So we want to look at all click on button links, and then we can say button links, and the label can be whatever we want. So it could be the inner HTML of the button. Save that. And then if we have any of those, I don't think we do on the site, but if we did, we could track that. So yeah, I've not got any of those on the site, but yeah, that's the package that I've been working on, and it's almost ready for release. So I just thought I'd share it with you and show you. All right, bye.